Power of attorney is an individual who has capacity and competency, delegating somebody else to make decisions on their behalf. And by doing that, you don't give up your own authority to make decisions. You're just adding someone to the list of one that you've had up until now of people who can make decisions about your life. And you can determine what those decisions are in the document. You can give a general power of attorney that allows someone to make really any sort of decision apart from healthcare. Sometimes those are determined by state law to require a separate document. A healthcare power of attorney. But a general power of attorney can do any sort of financial transactions, legal transactions, make decisions, sign documents, do anything you could do yourself and do it on your behalf. So it can be helpful to people who want to have assistance from someone they trust to manage their affairs. So a lot of times it will be a spouse or an adult child who can help someone with their banking matters or can handle real estate transactions or other things that they don't want to be bothered with or aren't able to deal with, and they want to just delegate that authority to someone they trust. But as I said, it doesn't take away the authority that you have as an individual. You retain that at the same time. The other important thing to know about powers of attorney is they can extend into incapacity. So you can make that delegation while you're still fully competent and say, this authority doesn't take effect until I lose capacity. And that determination made by my primary care physician. And that way, it again is giving authority to the individual to decide who's going to make those choices for them when they can't make them for themselves anymore. So it's a way of controlling for the future, which can be really helpful and really reassuring to folks who know that that potential exists. And the second important thing to remember about powers of attorney is that they can always be revoked while you retain your capacity. So if you change your mind, you just sign a revocation that says, I revoke the power of attorney, signature, and you're done. So there's a lot of control there. It's easy to give and it's easy to take back.
Power of attorney is great because you don't give up any of your own authority over making decisions and taking actions, but you're sort of also sharing it with another person who you trust. And if you make a decision that you don't want that person doing that for you anymore, then you can revoke the power of attorney. But it also can be useful if you are concerned that you don't always have capacity, or that you may have a progressive illness that will limit your capacity in the future. You can pre-choose who will be the person who can stand in and make decisions for you.